All right, let's head outside right now to Winchester, Virginia. This is the Walking Mall. And take a look at it. Today, it was a little bit cooler than it has been lately, but I think when you're in the upper 50s, it's not too bad. It is spring-like temperatures. We're looking at a high today of 57. Currently, we're sitting at 46, so we are running about 7 degrees colder than last night. And the winds actually around this area, they have picked up a little bit. They actually haven't died down any. They're sitting around 12 to 15 miles an hour. We expect them to die down overnight. Some of the temperatures throughout the area are looking at the upper 40s. A couple of spots, which is interesting. Further north in Frederick, we're at 50 degrees. But then when you head further south, Manassas is at 37. Culpeper at 40. It's usually the opposite way. So taking a look at our dew points, it's extremely dry out there. Anytime you see these numbers in the teens, it just means the air is very dry. But you can see we've got some 20s in Waldorf, Manassas to Woodstock, so kind of on that southern range. Now, the thing tomorrow is really going to be the wind. Tonight, fairly calm, but as the day goes on, about mid-morning, winds will pick up. And then once we get into the afternoon, we're looking at 15 to 17 miles an hour. And then we're also going to have some gusts over 30 miles an hour throughout the afternoon. Now, because of that and the dew points, we're looking at a fire weather watch. And now, this is going to be for the areas in D.C., north and west. Pretty much the areas that we pointed out that had a very low dew point in the teens. You add a lot of that northwestern wind, and that could be basically a situation where you could have a fire. So taking a look at our satellite, we've had some clouds earlier today as that high pressure moves off the coast. It's pulling all that heavy cloud cover away, so we're going to continue to have those clear skies tonight, and that's what's going to cause our temperatures to drop. And then looking ahead at tomorrow, we've got a cold front that's going to drop down through the area. Sunny skies right behind it for the entire day. The only thing we will have are some of those blustery winds, but we'll have a full look at the 7-day coming up in just a few more minutes. Back to you, Janae.